Conclusion na po tayo. Part 2 po nung rice experiment, no? So for this experiment, white rice lang po yung ginamit natin dito. So yung first experiment po natin, this was conducted I think a month ago. So yung 1 cup po ng white rice, sinaing lang po siya ng yung regular lang po na procedure in terms of cooking rice, no? So nag-start po yung blood sugar natin at 104. After an hour, umakyat po ng 138. And then on the second hour, 121 po yung final na blood sugar reading po niya. Yung second experiment po natin, this was requested by one of our followers, no? So pag mas maraming beses daw po hinugasan si rice, meron daw po siyang epekto sa blood sugar spike. Well, I think meron nga po. Tumaas po yung blood sugar ko po dito, no? So nag-start po tayo at 101 and then on the first hour 173 po yung inangat nung blood sugar. And then on the final hour, second hour 141 po yung ibinaba po niya. So uh, siguro on a scientific explanation, no? Pwede pong nahugasan po siya ng gusto, natanggal po yung fiber something po niya. Kaya mas mabilis pong na-absorb yung rice ng katawan natin and eventually naging sugar po siya kaagad and humalo sa bloodstream po natin. Explanation ko lang naman po yun, assumption ko lang po yun. So pwedeng ganun po yung nangyari. Tapos third po na experiment natin is also requested by one of our followers, no, refrigerated rice. So, ni-refrigerate po ito for 24 hours. Well, it seems na okay po siya, no? Kasi I started at 92. Umakyat lang po siya na 132 and then eventually 119 po yung blood sugar reading po niya after 2 hours. Pero pag tiningnan po natin siya, no, yung spike po niya after 2 hours, makikita niyo po dyan. Yung regular cooked na rice, plus 17 lang po yung in-spike niya. Si washed naman po, plus 40. So, si refrigerated plus 27. So, halos, alam niyo yun, yung regular cooked na rice and yung refrigerated, halos pareho lang din po sila. So, again, um, eat in moderation. Kung hindi nyo po matiis na hindi kumain ng rice, eat in moderation para maiwasan din po yung sobrang taas ng spike ng blood sugar pag kumakain po ng rice. So, see you guys in the next vlog. Maraming salamat po. Bye-bye.